Hello!
Hi!
Welcome back to our story time. We are.
Once upon a snore.
That's right. Once Upon a Snore, presented by Choky and Mom, a mom and daughter team bringing you stories every week.
If you enjoy our story time, please like and subscribe to our channel.
That's right, guys. Please don't forget to do that. Today we have a story about a bad seed. You know why he's bad?
Because he's rude.
Maybe. We're not too sure. So let's begin reading the story and we'll know for sure why he's a bad seed. Okay? All right. The Bad Seed by Jory John. Illustrated by Pete Oswald. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready and excited.
Me too. So here he is. I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh, yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, that seed is so bad. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble, there goes a bad seed. But I can hear them. I have good hearing for a seed. So, how bad am I? You really want to know?
Yes, I want to know.
Okay, let's see. Well, I never put things back where they belong. I'm late to everything. I tell long jokes with no punchline. I never wash my hands or my feet. I lie about pointless stuff. I cut in line every time. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentences and I never listen. And I do a lot of other bad things too. You know why? Because I'm a bad seed. Uh,
Bad seed.
yeah, that's me. I just can't help it. Sure, I wasn't always this bad. I was born a humble seed on a simple sunflower in an unremarkable field. I had a big family, seeds everywhere. We found ways to have fun. We were close. But then the petals dropped and our flower drooped. It's kind of blur. Uh, I remember a bag. Everything went dark, and then a giant. I thought I was a goner. I thought I was done for. I screamed, I hollered, but I was spit out at the last possible second. I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a huge thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside. A wad of gum had softened my fall. I felt okay, but something had changed in me. I'd become a different seed entirely. I'd become a bad seed. Uh,
Bad seed.
that's right. I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was friend to nobody and bad to everybody. I was lost on purpose. I lived inside a soda can. I didn't care and it suited me. Until recently, I've made a big decision. I've decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be good when you're so used to being bad, but I'm trying. I'm taking one day at a time. Sure, I still forget to listen, and I still show up late, and I still talk during movies, and I do all kinds of other bad stuff. But I also say thank you, I say please, and I smile, and I hold doors open for people. Not always, but sometimes. And even though I still feel bad sometimes, I also feel kind of good. It's sort of a mix. Mm. All I can do is keep trying and keep thinking. Maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. Hey, look, there goes the bad seed. Actually, he's not all that bad anymore. I heard that. The end. Did you like the story, Choky?
Yes, I loved it.
Now you know why he's so bad?
Yeah,
Why? Why did they?
because he cuts sentences, he doesn't listen, he's rude, he doesn't say thank you or please, he lies.
Yeah. So all those things are bad. So that's why he called himself a bad seed. And the circumstances that he went through, the problems that he had, made him bad. But then one day he decided he needs to be good. He wanted to be happy like others. So that's when he started changing his ways. He tried hard and then he succeeded. You know, always, we should always try to be good. We always have to try doing something. That's when you practice it, when you keep doing it over and over again, you excel at it. Okay, you should never give up. This is what the story is all about. You should never give up. All right?
Yeah,
Great. So that's all for today, guys. And that was a good story with a nice message. So if you like our channel, please subscribe. And we have more stories coming up. So don't miss them. That's all for now. We signing off. This is Mom, and that is
Choky.
Choky and Mom signing off for today. Until next time, bye bye.